Gonna remove a center console latch for 2014 GMC Sierra. This also works for Chevy Silverados as well. You're gonna take a trim tool and pop the lower panel off. Be careful, these are plastic, so it's not hard to break them, so just take your time. Now we've got that panel removed. And there's our new part. Take that out of the bag. You're going to use a Phillip screwdriver. Obviously I prefer snap-on if I can. So we'll remove that screw. And then we're going to take a T15 bit or screwdriver and we're going to remove the screws. They are placement screws, so you can leave them in, loosen them up enough, and the latch will still slide out. It does help for guidance to get it in and out. And there's the broken latch. As you can see, its hinge mechanism's all broken. There is our new one. Alrighty, let's slide her down into place. Now keep in mind, you always want to make sure these are all plastic. This is all plastic, so you have to be very careful not to over tighten any of these components. They will strip very easily, they will snap, they will break off. What I do here is though, is I always put that Phillips screw in first. That way the latch slides all the way down into place. And then I will tighten down the Torx screws, and again, just be very careful not to over tighten them. Now we just need to pop the back panel back on. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, Dave at Rusty Red's Workshop.